আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসে, I know only that much. I think that is enough. That's the most connecting line.
Do you like Bengali food?
Ah, what is that? Biryani? Kachi biryani. Kachi biryani was good, yes.
Salman Khan will come Bangladesh.
Yeah, he will come hopefully once he's got some of his engagements done. Thoda sa there are some commitments that he has, and once that is that, he has actually asked me to convey a lot of his love to you people, and says from my side, please wish them all the best and say that he would love to come here someday soon. About a fire happened in some where the clothing about 5,000 shops.
Bangabazar clothing market. And your Being Human is also a charity foundation. Do you have any intention to contribute here?
Firstly, like I said, where this brand is concerned, it's my brother and my sister who handle the brand's entire working aspect of it. It's not necessary that because I am the family, I understand the working of that. I'm just a representative of the brand. It's like if there are 5 brothers, does not mean that everybody is in the same business and all that. So this is purely my brothers and my sisters working. I can put forward this scenario to them that if they generally do any kind of stuff, where are their priorities or where the charity of the money goes, because they also have their own way of doing something. Like they say charity, sometimes they say the word is charity begins at home. There's so much to do around our own space at times that there is not even enough of what he can do, because everything that he does is very personal. It's not a trust. The money doesn't come into his funds from various places for which he does that. Every money that goes into his charity is what is generated by himself, and that's what he's been doing over the years up till now. So I am not 100% aware of how that thing functions, but yes, you have brought this thing up. We can add to that and take the proposal and say there is an incident that happened, unfortunate incident happened in Bangladesh, and there are many families that would need that help, and if there is a provision that we can do something for them, surely that proposal will be put forward. Yes.
We know all about this that Salman Khan का जान में खतरा है. So इस बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
Well, वो जो नेसेसरी प्रोटेक्शन लेना होता है जो गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू मिलता है, बिकॉज वो इन्फॉर्मेशन भी इट हैज़ कम थ्रू द गवर्नमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ some threatening calls, messages, etc. that is there, and that precaution has to be taken, and the security has been provided to him, and the necessary steps have been taken. Apart from that, there is not much I can divulge or talk about, because that's an issue. Yeah, that's a very security issue.
बांग्लादेश कैसा लग रहा है? इतना कैसा हुआ बांग्लादेश में?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड लाइक आई सेड कि मैं थोड़ा सा अगली बार कोशिश करूँगा कि थोड़ा लंबा स्टे रहे मेरा, क्योंकि इस बार भी मैं आया हूँ तो मैं सिर्फ एक इवेंट के लिए आया हूँ और इस ओपनिंग के लिए आया हूँ, तो मुझे कम समय मिल रहा है बांग्लादेश को देखने का, आप लोगों से मिलने का, एंजॉय करने का। लेकिन अगली बार जब मैं आऊँगा तो मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि 2-3 दिन के लिए कम से कम आऊँ, ताकि मैं घूमूँ फिरूँ, देखूँ ज़रा जगह को। एज अ मूवी, यस वाई नॉट। अभी जैसे कि आपने देखा है कि अभी बहुत ग्लोबल हो गया है सब कुछ, हम सब जगह से एक्टर्स लेते हैं, सब्जेक्ट्स हमारे वास्ट हो गए हैं, तो जब ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो हम ज़रूर कोलैबोरेट करके करेंगे। तो बट एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन द सब्जेक्ट। क्या होता है कि अगर आपने ऐसा सब्जेक्ट चूज़ किया जहाँ पर आपको बांग्लादेशी एक्टर्स चाहिए या लोकल टैलेंट चाहिए, देन ऑफ कोर्स वी विल यूज़ दैट, एंड सो दैट वर्क इज़ ऑन। कोई अच्छी इंटरेस्टिंग या तो यहाँ से सब्जेक्ट आए या हमको कोई मिले तो हम आके शूट करेंगे यहाँ पर।